This vast, leafy park is the biggest within Vienna's city limits and is a favorite place for locals to head in the summer for picnics, Ferris wheel rides, and other amusement park attractions. The enormous complex also boasts an on-site cinema, Madame Tussauds wax museum, cafes and restaurants, a nightclub, and a bowling alley. Dominating the park and the skyline of the adjoining Leopoldstadt neighborhood, the enormous Ferris wheel dates to 1897, and is one of Europe's largest. Entry to the Prater is free, individual rides and attractions will set you back a few euros but are reasonably priced. Head here in the warmer spring and summer months to get some outdoor activities in and enjoy a lazy picnic on the grass, or rent bikes for a morning or afternoon, taking advantage of the bike paths that wend through the park. The park is open year-round, and in the autumn and winter months can still offer a pleasant walk or a day of fun and distraction for the whole family. Getting there, the main entrance to the Prater is located on an enormous traffic circle known as the Praterstern. Get off at this station for metro lines U1 or U2. You may also take tram line O and 5 to the end of the line to reach the park.